working on. Very nice looking water lodge. We got it all jacked up and supported up. So I'm going to finish height control valves on the back axle this morning. And we got some other things we're going to button up today. I made a puller. This is for air compressor off of a 6V92 Detroit. So my puller was only this wide, so I made some little adapters to make it wider to fit in to pull the gear off of this air compressor. All right, let's see if we can try to get there. I just put my pry bar in there to keep it from spinning. There it is. Yay! Alright, hooray us. My little puller. It's now a air compressor puller. It's just some aluminum round stock. And I re-tapped this out to 1/4 because it's some funky metric. Alright, so we've got the dump valves pulled. We're replacing them. Got to put new fittings on them. Got those there. I'm going to replace these height control valves as well.
Well, I don't think we need that because you have your...
So you got a line that comes off that goes to the air spring. This line comes off the height control valve, and then this is your pilot line, so it comes from the front switch and the dash, and then they connect together to this one, and then this is the line that comes from the front dash. And again, it's the same over here. Got one that goes to the airbags, and then this one here that comes from the air supply, or the height control valve, which is then has the air supply. So we got the height control valve mounted there. What we got to do now is this control link rod goes down to the axle, and that tells it when it's up like this, it'll tell it to fill with air. When it's down like that, it'll tell it to exhaust air. So we're going to replace these with some new links. Match the length of this rod with this. Pretty closely. Just tighten these set screws down. Right on. One-handed here. Not very successful. Spinning the compressor now. We have to get something. We need a pry bar to put in here.